Pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. I, you, it, he, she, we, they, this, that, these, those, my, your, our, its, her, his, him, mine, them, us, and many more. These words are pronoun. Mary is my friend. Here is a noun. It's a name of a girl. Now we will use a pronoun. Here the word she is pronoun in place of a noun. Mary we say it is she is my friend. Mark is going to school. Here Mark is a noun, as it's a name of a boy. Now we will see the use of pronoun. He is going to school. Here he is pronoun. We use the word of he in place of Mark. I have a pet. The pet is a dog. It is a dog. We can use the pronoun in place of dog.